Record-keeping and audit protection. Federal tax deductions for content creators, Segment 9, Record-keeping and audit protection. This video is part of a multi-segment series that breaks down federal tax deductions for self-employed content creators earning income from platforms like YouTube and the Amazon Influencer Program. A complete list of all segments, along with links to each one, can be found in the video description, allowing you to watch the full series in order or jump directly to specific topics. Before we begin, please note that this content is provided for informational and educational purposes only. While this material is based on detailed research and current tax guidelines, it is not intended to replace professional tax, legal, or financial advice. Tax laws can change, and individual situations vary. You are responsible for verifying information and consulting with a qualified professional regarding your own circumstances. Record-keeping is what makes deductions defensible. Taking deductions without documentation can create unnecessary stress if questions ever arise. Good records protect you, not the IRS. One of the simplest and most effective steps you can take is to separate business and personal finances as much as possible. Using a separate bank account or credit card for business expenses creates a clear paper trail and makes tracking expenses easier. Receipts and invoices should be saved for all deductible expenses. Digital copies are acceptable, and many people use cloud storage or bookkeeping apps to organize records by year. For each expense, it helps to note the date, amount, and business purpose. This is especially important for expenses that are not obvious at first glance. Mileage logs, as discussed earlier, are critical for vehicle deductions. For mixed-use expenses such as phones and internet, notes explaining how you calculated business use percentages are extremely helpful. The IRS does not expect perfection, but it does expect reasonableness and consistency. If your numbers make sense and your records support them, you are in a strong position. Another important concept is retention. Tax records should generally be kept for at least 3 years after filing and longer in some situations. For assets such as equipment or property that are depreciated over time, records should be kept for the life of the asset plus additional years. Consistency across years matters. If you claim similar deductions year after year and your business activities remain similar, that consistency supports your position. Large unexplained swings without clear reasons can raise questions. The purpose of record-keeping is not to create fear. It is to create clarity. When your records are organized, preparing your tax return becomes easier and responding to questions becomes far less stressful. Be sure to join us next time as we wrap up the series with a final summary, key takeaways, and how all of these deductions work together to reduce taxable income responsibly.